channel. I'm Pinky. Today I am at the lovely new development house. The name is the Palm Parco. Only around 10 minutes from North Pattaya and 5 minutes to Regent School and 5 minutes to Mapashan area. So it's quite nice location and then new house, and the design as you see is a little bit Nordic modern design, and inside with the modern luxury design. The house price starting from 4,890,000. The house that I'm going to show you is a bit bigger size, so it's 5,890,000. In this development, there are 93 houses. Where I am here is the common area, which they have swimming pool, gym, meeting room, garden, playground. So it's lovely concept of the house project. Follow me and see inside the house. And here we are, so follow me to see inside the house. When we coming, you will see living area. The living room is quite big and nice. Actually, the house will not come with fully furnished, but you can also order the project to make built-ins and then furniture for you. Living room space is quite nice, quite wide. In this area, you can have sofa like this, and on left-hand side, you can have TV built-in or just put TV on the wall. The space quite good. From living room, inside is dining area, which set up as a 6 chair of dining table. And next to me have a terrace, so you can access to outside. This area you can set up as like a small chair outside for sitting area or small barbecue area. It's quite good space, and the ceiling is pretty high. I feel like it's quite wide. And next from dining area is kitchen. The kitchen you can set up as a European, like small kitchen and another big Thai kitchen, or you can even design as a whole big European kitchen, also that possible. Counter bar, you can use this one for serve some drink. It's nice, and this is quite good idea to have like the shelf for your white glass. This is small European kitchen, like counter for just make some small drinks and things. Inside they have a glass door, slide door to separate the counter bar and the kitchen inside. So the kitchen is designed as an L shape. This one actually is good function because you can just close the door and you can cook like Thai food and all this. So yeah, it's quite good setup with the cabinet, and have like the windows which you can open when you're cooking. Next to me is the door where you can access to the terrace outside, so you can use as a laundry area. You can put washing machine outside and dry your clothes, or you can also put your washing machine inside. It's also possible in the kitchen because it's already set up as a water tap and the drain. That's good too. This door you can access from the parking. The parking, you can park 2 cars and maybe 1 or 2 motorbikes. And yeah, this door you can access to the parking. In case if you buy some food or things, you can just come in from this door. So this is good function too. This is guest toilet. There are 3 bedroom and 4 baths. So 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom on 2nd floor, and this one is 1 guest toilet where you can use for your guests. This is all about 1st floor. Now I show you 2nd floor. Here we are on 2nd floor. They have a small nice space where I love it on 2nd floor. When you come up from the stair, you will see like small living room. So you can use this one as a working room as well if you love to work at home. And they also have small balcony where you can also open the door and chill out a little bit for maybe smoking. And if you have like many family members, you can also use this one as another bedroom. So you can add up this one to be 4 bedroom for your children This also can be, just probably need to make the door here. This is pretty nice area, and I show you 3 bedroom. We can start with this first. This one set up for children, probably look a little bit like nice color. The bed with king size and built-in TV, curtain. The room space is quite good, not too small. So the wardrobe is here, and this one is small working desk. Bathroom set up as a shower room, toilet. They use Cotto brand and sink, clean design. We go to the second bedroom. Probably I show you this one first. Second bedroom, the bed that here is king size, so you still have space to walking around. Quite good size. This side you can put TV, and this bedroom have a bigger space of wardrobe, so you have 4 doors, some shelf, cabinet. Upstairs you can put your belonging. And here set up as a cosmetic table, powder table, so it's nice for the woman with the big mirror. And the bathroom set up as same as the first one, with the shower, toilet and sink. Shower they use Huffley brand. Okay, the last one we're going to see the master bedroom. Master bedroom, when you come in, the bed on left hand side, on my left hand side, and the right side is walk-in closet and toilet. So we come to the bed first. Lovely design. Modern luxury design with the built-in. Yeah, the bed is quite big, nice size. Have small space for small armchair over there. And on the master bedroom, you will see the view on the front of the house. This house faces to common area where you can see a pool and garden. Actually, the common area, they have quite a few things for you, like swimming pool, fitness, meeting room, and then the small garden for the children. Nice view from here, and you still have like small balcony on the front where you can just put small chair probably, or you can just go out to stand for smoke sometime if you like. Here is nice. Walk-in closet, so you have like 4 doors and full from the top to the floor. So what I mean is like you can store your shoes and clothes and bag and things upstairs. It's nice. And here's some more jewelry or bag shelf. It's good space, and have small powder cosmetic table here. Master bathroom also set up with the shower, have rain shower and sinks and toilet. This is all about house here, the Palm Parco. If you like it, please give a like or subscribe for us, and then follow us every week for our video. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.